Big Brother Naija Beatrice, Earrings and Niyi evicted from Shine Your Eyes house. White's Money emotional appearance after succeeding Sunday eviction. 4 new housemates introduced into the Big Brother Naija house. It is over for 2021 Big Brother Naija housemates. Beatrice, Earrings and Niyi, as they have been kicked out of the house in the competition's first eviction show. Beatrice, Earrings and Niyi were nominated by Maria and Perry, the wildcards who were revealed during the show last week. Indeed, Niyi and Earrings have made good friends in the house, and the sky is their limit for them as they are going into the wider world with full confidence about the fact that they are now famed people and can use this platform to push themselves to the next level of their life. Beatrice, on the other hand, she is so confident and believes that nothing has happened. She is ready to make use of the platform to excel and to move to the next level. This year's edition of the most watched and talked about reality TV show in Nigeria and Africa as a whole, Big Brother Naija Season 6, as 4 new housemates have been unveiled in what was supposed to be the first eviction show. A rapper Michael, a photographer KV, a lawyer JMK, and an activist Queen were unveiled as the new male and female housemates to join the already existing one in the house following the exit of Earrings, Beatrice and Niyi. The 4 newly unveiled housemates introduced themselves as follows.
My name is Michael Chukwebuka Ngene, better known as Ebuka Michael. I'm a BB Naija Season 6 housemate. And if you know Shine Your Eye...
Well, my name is Jumoke Adedoyin. I'm 23 years old. I'm from Kwara State. I am a lawyer and a food blogger.
I'm an ex-international beauty queen. I've done pageantry almost all my life since 2013. I'm an activist. I'm all about women empowerment. I'm all about encouraging women to get involved.
So guys, let us move away from Big Brother Naija Season 6 Shine Your Eye edition and visit some of the activities of the ex-housemates of the Season 5 Lockdown edition. We are talking in person of Ozo. Ozo, who just celebrated his birthday. The birthday is not coming to an end as more gifts are still entering. Recently, Ozo bought a brand new car.
Why you hold my hand? They cry. Ah! That's it, yes. Let him We're leaving now. The lineup for today is quite a lot. Yes. You're not even bad for this. Okay. I will do that. I want to go there. God did not bring that to our leg. Me, I don't take. I will. That one pain me. I'm not so cool. Don't cut us off. You did. I did. I've told you, relax. Yeah. Anyone else? Oh, yeah. Stop! I don't. Sold out. It's sold out. It's sold out.
The fans known as Fumbi65 wrote, Ozo is richer than your entire family. You think gifting him money means he doesn't have. You are too doomed. You will be here to always celebrate him. He is on his way to Zanzibar while you are here talking about making money to Ozo, the multimillionaire. One day he will be a billionaire and you will be telling him what to do to make money. Please guys, remember to subscribe to this my YouTube channel and also turn on the notification bell in order to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much. God bless you. Bye.